Greetings. In this episode of number 75 of 1,000 Evidences of the LDS Church, we will discuss the eternal nature of spirit element. While critics loudly and repeatedly declare that the Book of Abraham is not an authentic ancient document, the following extra-biblical information clearly demonstrates the contrary and has been substantiated by research. The Pearl of Great Price records Abraham's vision of the spirit world, revealing new doctrine about the eternal nature of the pure and refined intelligent matter from which spirits are formed. Speaking of the intelligence of the spirits that had been formed, Abraham taught that they have no beginning, they existed before, shall have no end, they shall exist after, for they are gnolam, or eternal. Abraham chapter 3, verse 18. This is also revealed in the Doctrine and Covenants. Man was also in the beginning with God. Intelligence, or the light of truth, was not created or made, neither can be. Doctrine and Covenants, section 93, verse 29 and 33. Along with the revelation that matter is eternal, Joseph Smith further revealed that the intelligences from which our spirits were created are also eternal and cannot be created nor destroyed. In addition, the prophet taught there is no such thing as immaterial matter. All spirit is matter, but is more fine and pure. D&C section 131, verse 7. In the revelation known as the olive leaf, which was given to Joseph Smith at Kirtland, Ohio on 27th of September 1832, the prophet records, "Light proceedeth forth from the presence of God to fill the immensity of space. The light which is in all things, which giveth life to all things, which is the law by which all things are governed, even the power of God, who sitteth upon his throne, who is in the bosom of eternity, who is in the midst of all things." It's Doctrine and Covenants, section 88, verses 12 and 13. This is a very profound, far-reaching statement. Light radiating from God is in all things, gives life to all things, and is the law that governs all things. Consequently, matter is governed by light, and condensed, normalized light vectors are the basic functions of quantum mechanics instead of probability distribution functions based upon the uncertainty principle. That's according to Alvin K. Benson, Diagrammic Review and Implications of the Self-Consistent Field Theory Method, Foundations of Physics, 1977, volume 7, pages 723 through 733. And Benson's self-consistent selection of ferromagnetic representation and the accompanying dynamical rearrangement of symmetry, a dissertation at BYU, 1972, pages 92 through 96. God, the superintelligence of our order, Abraham chapter 3, verse 19, radiates light and truth in all things and through all things. Doctrine and Covenants, section 88, verse 41. Integrating these teachings of Joseph Smith from Doctrine and Covenants, section 93 and 131, and the King Follett Discourse, a reasonable conclusion is that the Lord organized spirit matter from light or intelligence. Consequently, Joseph had some insight into the modern scientific concept of a fundamental relationship between light and matter. Modern scientific disciplines such as quantum wave mechanics, quantum electrodynamics, quantum field theory, and relativity are all based upon relationships between light and matter. Alvin Benson has said that matter may be formed from light through a phase transition involving the Bose-Einstein condensation of light particles. Obviously, Joseph Smith was familiar with many fundamental ideas of modern science over 150 years ago, evidently as taught by God. If not, truly remarkable. Thank you for watching. Come back for episode number 76. And remember, call upon God over these evidences. Don't fall because of preconceived and erroneous dogma.